We came in the 30s, and that's when the big train wreck was.
The Christmas accident, yes.
I can remember being a Christmas night.
Heard a crash and you looked up and all this fire, oh my God. People were coming out of their houses and going to look to see what was happening. And it was scary, very scary.
I was outside with the other children on the street by the street lamp, and it was dark.
I was skating on the rink. I remember skating, and everybody was flocking to see this fire.
My father came down and told me that there'd be a wreck, and I was not to go.
And before he left, he said to my mother, "Don't let the girls come up there," because people were going up to see what was going on. He said, "Don't let them come up here."
My mother says, "You don't go up that hill." I said, "I can't go, I got my skates on." She says, "Well, you're not taking them off, you're not going up that hill."
Many people went up on the side of the escarpment.
People were just climbing up.
From our house, you could see the hill where the glow was. And he went up, he was there all night.
It's frightening for children to see stuff like that.
I remember my father having to go to court to clarify that the track was in good condition.
And when he came back, he was so tired, he sat in a chair in the dining room and fell sound asleep. He was exhausted and never talked about it. He was just really upset about it.